Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance A380 News. New routes and Emirates updates. The Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger aircraft, continues to make headlines as airlines revive their superjumbo fleets and expand operations. Here are the latest updates on the A380, including new routes and Emirates developments. Emirates orders A380 replacement aircraft. Emirates, the largest A380 operator, is preparing for the future as Airbus has ceased A380 production. The airline has placed significant orders for Airbus A350-1000s and Boeing 777X aircraft, which will eventually replace the A380 fleet. However, Emirates plans to operate the A380 well into the 2030s. British Airways expands A380 network. British Airways has expanded its A380 operations with new destinations, including a return to the popular London Heathrow, LHR, to Dubai, DXB, route. The airline also continues to deploy the superjumbo on key U.S. routes, such as Los Angeles and Miami. Lufthansa reintroduces the A380 to more cities. Lufthansa, which initially retired its A380s during the pandemic, has brought back several aircraft to meet growing demand. The airline is now flying the A380 to destinations such as New York, JFK, and Bangkok, BKK, while evaluating future network expansions. Qantas expands A380 services. Qantas has fully reactivated its A380 fleet and continues to expand operations to key long-haul routes. The airline's A380s are now operating between Sydney and London via Singapore, as well as Melbourne to Los Angeles. Emirates A380 first class and premium economy upgrades. Emirates is refurbishing its A380 fleet, with several aircraft now featuring the airline's new premium economy cabin. Additionally, the airline has refreshed its first-class suites and onboard lounge, enhancing the passenger experience. Singapore Airlines optimizes A380 operations. Singapore Airlines continues to use the A380 on flagship routes, such as Singapore to London and Sydney. The airline's iconic suites class remains one of the most luxurious experiences in commercial aviation. Etihad Airways considers A380 long-term use. Etihad Airways brought back its A380s due to strong demand, deploying them on the Abu Dhabi to London Heathrow route. The airline is assessing whether to keep the A380 in long-term service or phase it out gradually. Emirates expands A380 network. Emirates has resumed A380 flights to several cities, including Tokyo, Sao Paulo, and Glasgow. The airline remains the world's leading A380 operator and continues to prioritize the aircraft for high-demand routes. Korean Air and Asiana Airlines A380 merger impact. As Korean Air progresses with its acquisition of Asiana Airlines, the fate of their combined A380 fleets remains uncertain. While both airlines currently operate the A380, a phased retirement may occur in the coming years. Future of the A380 in global aviation. Despite no new production, the A380 continues to play a vital role for airlines facing strong travel demand. While some carriers are retiring the aircraft, others are reactivating and investing in upgrades, ensuring that the superjumbo remains a key part of global aviation. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.